Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the JBL Encore speaker and I'm going to tell you all the controls in the speaker you have to know about music. So now let me play some music. As you can see here, our music is on turned on. Now you can increase and decrease our volume level using this slider here. Now we can pause and pause the music using this button here. And we can go to the next song double clicking this button. And we can go back using the triple click. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.